Hello, this is a video by Catholic Charities about a horrible crime called human trafficking. Watch our first video to learn more about the basics of this crime. In our video, today we are going to talk about why immigrants and refugees are at a special risk of human trafficking. Here are some words we're going to learn today: threat, deportation, danger, violence, trust. Who can be a trafficker? Victims of human trafficking often don't even realize that they are trafficking victims. Traffickers are commonly someone the victim knows, and it can be hard realizing that they are abusing you. Traffickers can be a boyfriend or a girlfriend, a spouse, a family member, a boss, or a family friend. It is important to understand that you are not at fault for being trafficked. It can be difficult to realize you are a victim of trafficking, especially if you do not know your rights. It is okay to ask for help. Your immigration status and trafficking. Traffickers may use your immigration status against you. They will tell you that you will be deported or thrown in a jail if the authorities find out. This is not true. There are forms of immigration relief available for victims of trafficking and certain crimes, such as the T visa. The T visa will allow you to apply for an employment authorization document, which will allow you to work lawfully in the United States. Eventually, a T visa can help you get a green card and allow you to become a lawful permanent resident. If you are certified as a trafficking victim by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, you are eligible to receive public benefits and services. Traffickers might be evil, but that does not mean that they are not smart. Traffickers often hide their victims in plain sight. In Wisconsin, our first big trafficking case was a Filipino couple who trafficked someone to work as a maid in their home. She worked 7 days a week, 16 hours a day, every day of the year for 19 years. She did not speak any English and she lived in a suburb. She was isolated. No one noticed her because, on the rare occasion anyone saw her, she was just another Filipino person living in the house. The traffickers threatened her with the police and with immigration. In the end, it was the trafficker who went to prison and were deported. The victim never realized she was in trouble until it was too late. Another Wisconsin case involved Mexican men who were working in a cabbage field. Their traffickers threatened them with immigration and deportation. But just like the Filipino couple, no one noticed those men because of the people working in the cabbage field were other Mexican men. There was just no reason to notice them as they fit right in with everyone else. Anybody can be a victim. Human traffickers are master manipulators, and manipulating you is how they keep their operations going. Traffickers will use violence, threats of going to immigration or reporting you to the police, and shame to keep their victims from leaving. Anybody can be a victim of human trafficking. You are not dumb or stupid for being trafficked or for trusting your trafficker. The police and immigration authorities want to stop human traffickers and help their victims find safety in the United States. If you or someone you know is trafficking victim, there are a couple things that you can do. If you or someone you know are in immediate danger, call 911 to report the situation to the police. In our area of Milwaukee, Wisconsin, victims can call a place called Lotus Legal Services or St. George Family Peace Center. Most major cities in the U.S. will have agencies to help trafficking victims. Nationally, You can contact the National Human Trafficking Hotline phone number on the screen. Victims, people who know victims, or even people who just have seen a situation that meets one of the criteria we talked about today, are encouraged to call the hotline. The National Human Trafficking Hotline website also provides help finding local services who offer services to trafficking victims. Here are the words we learned in this video: threat, deportation, danger, violence, trust. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you to our sources who provided information for this video. Thank you to our partners at Milwaukee Public Schools. This video was made possible by the generous support of our grant funders.